Hi, my name's George and today I'm going to be showing you a handy little NCEA tip that's helped me keep track of my NCEA grades. Now let's get into it. So to make a simple grade tracker, you'll need to open Excel, or something similar of course. Along the top, you can write your subjects as I've done here, and along the bottom, you can put your total credits for each subject. This red box down here is actually the total of all the numbers of credits, so you can see how many credits you're going to get over the course of the whole year. Now if we go up here, we've actually got all of the internals in this first block, and then below it we've got the externals, which just nicely separates them out for clarity. And the final step towards making a grade tracker is of course to track the grades that you get. So what I've done is I've done a different colour for not achieved, achieved, merit and excellence. And so just as an example, because obviously I haven't gotten that many credits yet, I'll just make up some colours to just show you how this works. No, let's not go with that one because that's quite similar to the green that I'm using for excellence. So now we've got not achieved, achieved, merit and excellence all defined by their colour, and so now you can see the patterns of the grades that you're getting throughout the year. So I hope you found that video helpful with keeping track of your NCEA grades. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll make more videos like this to help you guys out.